Welcome to SahiPay. Through this video, you'll get information about the new product SBI General Insurance launched on SahiPay platform. Now, SahiPay partners can sell SBI General Insurance products and can earn attractive commission instantly. To sell SBI General Insurance, our merchants need to first become the registered POSP merchant. Let's see the requirements to become registered POSP merchant. An applicant must be of 18 years or above. Applicant's academic qualification is minimum 10th pass or above. Applicant should not be already registered as a POSP with any other insurance company. The applicant should have a valid mobile number, email ID and Aadhaar card. After the successful registration, registered merchant can sell motor insurance, health insurance and personal accidental insurance. So let's see the whole process. First of all, you need to visit SahiPay website, which is www.sahipay.com, and click on Login tab. Enter your 10-digit user ID and your 6-digit MPIN. Click on Login tab. After successful login, click on the Insurance tab available on the SahiPay homepage. To sell insurance, you would require to complete the registration, training and examination process. Firstly, click on Registration tab. Personal information of the merchant will be auto-filled on this screen. If any merchant wants to update his email ID, then he can click on this tab. Now, merchant need to upload their photo on this page. They need to click on this Upload Image option. The size of the photo must not be more than 250 KB. Now click on Proceed tab. On this screen, merchant needs to upload his 10th or higher education certificate. The size of the document must not be more than 250 KB. To upload the document, click on this tab and click on Proceed. If merchant's Aadhaar number is registered with SahiPay, then this screen will be displayed. Check the description and click on Proceed tab. If merchant's Aadhaar number is not registered with SahiPay, then this screen will be displayed. Upload Aadhaar details by clicking on this Upload tab, and after uploading the document, click on Save and Proceed. Now, merchant will see this declaration form, read all the points and select all the checkbox after reading the points. Click on Submit. After completing this process, merchant will see this pop-up. After this, there would be a verification of the uploaded documents, and after successful POSP registration process, this screen will be displayed. Once this registration process is completed successfully, merchant will receive a SMS and email, wherein merchant has to click on the link provided in the SMS. To log in here, merchant would be provided with a login ID and password. Enter the details and click on the login button. After successful login, on the home screen, you will get this IRDAI Point of Sale Person course option. Click on the More tab, after which you will get chapter-wise training material. Minimum 15 hours of training is mandatory, and merchant would require to see the complete documentation in order to activate the Mark as Completed button. After the completion of training, merchant can give the examination, which consists of total 50 questions. All the questions need to be answered by the merchant. Merchant cannot change the answer once move ahead. To qualify the exam, 5 chances would be provided. If a merchant will not be able to pass the examination in 5th attempt, then he will be blacklisted and he will not be able to attempt for the 6th time. After the successful completion of examination, merchant can visit the SahiPay portal and click on the Insurance tab, after which he will get this screen. Click on Download Certificate option to download the certificate, and once merchant will click on this SBI General Insurance option, he will get redirected to SBI GI portal. To select and sell various policies, click on Products option. To know about the available or a particular policy or complete transaction details, click on Policy Search button. To know about reports, click on Reports tab and then click on Ledger option. Select from date and to date, and in narration select SBIG Insurance and click on Search tab. If the merchant would have sold any policy, details will be displayed on the screen. For any other help, you can call on our customer care number 0124 402 0060, or you can write us on customercare@sahipay.com. Thank you.